How to make money fast on Q&A sites like Quora. Quora is such a popular platform where thousands of people visit every day to find out the answers to their questions and know more unknown things. Today, I will tell you how people make money online using Quora while sitting at home. It was launching in 2010. Since then it attracting millions of users. Quora is most popular platform from any other QA sites. Here, users are completely free to ask questions that relating their own interests and areas of expertise. We know that every success have behind the hard work and dedication. It is not easy. If you make a plan and stick to a schedule of asking questions with the above mentioned point of view, then, you are going to create a new passive income stream for yourselves. Remember one thing, if you want to make money with Quora, you have to ask questions regularly. Don't forget to stay engaged on Quora by asking questions yourself about the program. I know many people have been on the platform for years. They already knows the best tips and tricks on the ways to make extra money. Thanks for watching this video.